What if humanity is already doomed and we just don't know it yet? There's a terrifying idea in science, the Great Filter, a hidden barrier that stops civilizations from surviving. So here's the question. Have we already passed it? Or is it still waiting for us, just ahead? In this video, we'll explore the evidence, the theories, and the unsettling possibilities. And most importantly, what it means for our future as a species. Part 1. What is the Great Filter? It all begins with a paradox. In the 1950s, physicist Enrico Fermi looked up at the stars and asked, "Where is everybody? The galaxy is ancient. Many stars are billions of years older than our sun. Some planets have had the conditions for life for far longer than Earth. So where are all the aliens?" This mystery is known as the Fermi paradox, and one of the most chilling explanations is the Great Filter. The idea is simple and devastating. Somewhere along the path from dust to intelligence to interstellar travel, there's a stage so difficult, almost no species survives it. Maybe it's the leap from non-life to life. Maybe it's the development of language or complex tools, or maybe it's surviving your own technology. The Great Filter is the reason we haven't heard from anyone else. And the terrifying part, we don't know if it's behind us or still waiting ahead. Part 2, filters behind us. Let's consider the hopeful side. What if the hardest part is already over? Life on Earth began incredibly fast. Within a few 100 million years of Earth's formation, microbes were swimming in the oceans. But for billions of years, that life remained simple. No nervous systems, no consciousness, no civilizations. Then, suddenly, something changed. Brains formed, hands shaped tools, minds started asking questions. This leap to intelligence might be extraordinarily rare. It took 4 billion years of brutal trial and error. Even then, civilization is fragile. Of all the species that ever lived, only one made it to space. One species, us, built satellites, telescopes, and computers. So maybe that's the filter. Maybe intelligent technological life is a miracle. If that's true, then we are rare. And that rarity makes us precious. It means we are the survivors, the ones who made it through. And if we're alone, our responsibility is infinite. Part 3, filters ahead of us. But let's explore the darker possibility. What if the filter is not behind us, but ahead? A wall that looms just beyond our current level of advancement. One we may not see until it's too late. Let's be honest, the signs are there. We've split the atom, and with it gained the power to destroy ourselves. We're rapidly building machines that learn, reason, and act, and we're not sure how to control them. We're altering the planet's climate, disrupting ecosystems, draining finite resources. We're connected, but divided, powerful, but unstable. Maybe every advanced civilization walks this path, and maybe none of them make it out alive. The filter might not be a single event. It might be a test, a window in time where survival depends not on intelligence, but on wisdom. And right now, we're in that window. Part 4, science in the universe. So what does the universe tell us? We've now discovered over 5,000 exoplanets. Dozens sit in the habitable zone, the perfect distance from their stars. Some have water, some may have atmospheres, but we haven't seen signs of life. No alien radio signals, no megastructures orbiting stars, no ancient probes drifting through space, just silence. It's not that the galaxy is quiet, it's that it's dead silent. One possible explanation, the dark forest hypothesis. Imagine a forest at night. Every creature is silent, hidden, afraid. Revealing your position could get you killed. Maybe the universe is like that. Every civilization that makes a sound disappears. Or maybe it's something else. Maybe all those planets once had life, and something happened. And now they're graveyards, tombstones of dreams that never made it. 8 o'clock, part 5. What we can do. But here's the thing. If the Great Filter is ahead of us, it's not set in stone. It's a possibility, not a prophecy. which means we still have time. We can choose global cooperation over tribal conflict. We can build safety into AI before it surpasses us. We can take climate change seriously. We can prioritize sustainability, equity, resilience, and maybe, just maybe, awareness of the filter is the only way through it. Because the future isn't a given, it's a test, and how we act now will decide everything. Maybe we are the first, the only voice in a dark and ancient void. Or maybe we are the last, a flicker of hope in a universe of silence. Either way, what we do matters. We are writing the story of intelligence itself, and our next chapters could decide whether that story ends here or spreads across the stars. Will we pass the test? Will we become the first civilization to survive the filter? Or will we become just another silent planet, spinning alone in the dark? The answer is in our hands. If you found this powerful, subscribe. We explore the biggest questions in the universe together, and the story is just beginning.